Hey guys, it's KXModa here, and I know what you're gonna say. You haven't made a video in a while. This is the big one. Well, I guess bigger than what I usually do. Not a case, not anything for. Well, it is for the MacBook, obviously 13, which you know I have. So okay, got back from the Mac store, Apple store, whatever, and I made a few purchases. And let's start off with the. You guys know what this is? Wireless keyboard. It's a smaller one, not with a numeric keypad. This was $80. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put the MacBook back, and I'll just put out my little stand, and I'll put this there, and you'll see what else I have. And so I put that to the side. And of course, you know, if I got that, I had to get the Mighty Mouse, wireless, obviously. Wired sucks. Alright, and now, because I'm going to hook it up. Okay, if you guys get a cut in there, I'm sorry, my dad walked in. So, alright, interrupted a bit. Okay. So what I also have is the mini DVI to VGA adapter. I'm going to hook it up to my TV, so I get a big display. And then I have the connector, the VGA to VGA, obviously. Okay, so let's get unboxing. Let me just slide this down. Okay, there you can see there, everything. Okay, so let's start with Mighty Mouse, I guess. Okay. Let's just use nail scissors, most convenient thing right now. Okay, so let's see if there's anything. Okay, on the box right there it says single click button looks yeah, so there's a single click button, but you get right and left click too. You get the roller button, which is 360 degrees of fingertip freedom, and the two squeeze buttons, and you can set all these up so you can do whatever you want. Scroll, and then there's a laser, I guess this time says great precision on more surfaces. Okay, so this was $70, by the way. So let me just get this open. Okay, this is not doing well. Stupid scissors. To freaking cut them. There we go. Whatever. Okay. We don't care about this wrap, do we? It's not the special Apple wrap that they usually have inside. So that's to the side. Okay. So I think, let's see, how does this open? Okay, this is, okay, there we go, just like a normal Apple box would as a MacBook, you guys know. Okay, there's the mouse itself in here. Here you got some paperwork. We don't need to go through that, do we? Just try to get some Apple stickers, documents, and how to use it. Okay, so I'll just put that to the side. Okay, so there's the mouse. It comes in like, okay, so it's really small actually, wow. Like extremely small. Comes with two batteries. I heard that you can only use just one instead of two, so you can run off one too. So, and this is just like a soft plastic. Put that aside. Okay, well, I'll just do a review on this later. I'm not gonna take out the plastic or anything, so that's one to go. So here, let me just get some more light. This is not, okay. Is that good? I'm sorry guys, the lighting's really bad right now. That'll work, whatever. Okay, so let's get into this. Okay. A little bit of a chore with these scissors. Okay, now let's just rip it open. And obviously do a review. I'll show you guys how I got this set up and everything some other time soon. And I'll show you how I got it all configured and everything. Okay, so wireless keyboard, the smaller one. This probably opens the same way. Just gotta figure out how. Okay, yep, here we go. Just same thing as the other one too. Just pops open. Okay, there's the keyboard right there. It's very nice, aluminum. It has a plastic over it. I was gonna say it feels weird. Okay, so let's see. How do we? No padding on the top at all. Okay, so there's itself, very thin. What's this? What's this? Batteries? Batteries, yep. Energizer ones, this should be good. And then obviously again, you've got the documents and all that stuff again. Okay guys, let's get back up. So that was just a quick unboxing, review coming up. Stick with me. I'll be back. Peace.